How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to fix a broken fingernail at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. The first thing that you want to do is wash your hands so that they are clean. This will make sure you don't get infection or any bacteria into where the broken fingernail is. Next tip is to use super glue. Super glue is designed to close gashes and help with open wounds, and that is exactly what a broken fingernail is. They can be quite painful if left untreated, and having the wound open makes it that much worse. So use some super glue, you guys. Next tip is to put your fingers in warm water. This will help soften up the area and make repairing it that much easier. If you haven't done this, make sure this is one of your first steps. If there is bleeding on your fingernail, make sure that you use a wet cloth and hold it on the area. This will help stop the bleeding. It's also important that you cut the nail if there is any nail left. Get it out of the area where it is broken and start over fresh with a new nail. Be careful doing this though. If you have really broke your nail, you may want to go to the doctor and he can treat it, but generally a broken nail doesn't require a doctor's visit. Last tip is to soak your finger in cold water for roughly 15 minutes when you are done repairing it. This will help the area become numb and less painful and help with inflammation and bacteria. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.